Hi, I'm Ashley, and this is the Food for Thought from the Delaware Department of Agriculture. If you've ever been to Sussex County, it is likely you've seen a poultry house. Delaware is one of the top 10 chicken producers in the nation. Last year, farmers here produced 1.6 billion pounds of chicken. That's a lot of chicken. The process starts at breeding operations where hens lay eggs, which are collected daily and kept at constant temperature in special areas until they're delivered to hatcheries. Within incubators, embryos develop quickly. As soon as they hatch at around 25 to 26 days, they're transported to grow-out farms. The birds grow in temperature-controlled houses protected from the elements, predators, and disease. Over the 6 weeks that they typically stay at the farm, they're watched closely to make sure they're growing into healthy chickens. Catchers collect the birds and place them onto trucks and head back to the plants, where they're processed and packaged so that the chicken is ready to cook. Chicken has been an integral part of the American dinner table. Here in Delaware, we should be proud that so much chicken comes from the state. This has been Food for Thought from the Delaware Department of Agriculture.